Are you ready? Me too. Let's just bounce. 15-minute, low impact, mood boosting, rebounding workout coming your way. This is not just bouncing a bit, just elevates my mood so quickly. I love it. All right, let's work hard. We're going to stay in perpetual motion. If you have to take a break, just move just the tiniest amount. Let's go in and out just to get warm. So again, we'll do a strength type exercise for a minute or so, and then we'll just bounce as an active recovery. Just have some fun in those active recoveries. Just move around in dynamic and fun ways. Let's make this really enjoyable. Movement should be liberating, free us from aches and pains. Allow us to go long distance and walk forever. Movement that makes sense. Let's go. Okay. Let's go into some arm circles. Just small arm circles going forward and just bounce. However you want to bounce right now, maybe feet close together. Think about engaging your core in every activity that we do today. So nice, small circles going forward. Bring ultimate presence into everything we do today. Let's use this as a mindfulness session as well. Be here now. And let's reverse our arm circles. Nice tight arm circle. Just keep going. Feel it in the shoulders. We're going to continue to build strength. We're going to focus on boosting our mood and elevating our energy, but taking one great talking point as we just bring our arms down and bounce. So here's our rest period. And just move dynamically. We're still kind of getting warm, so maybe keep the pace up to a good degree, whichever feels right for you. We have we talked about the lymphatic system yesterday. Today we're going to talk about mitochondrial health. Really looking up what Barbara O'Neill and others, but particularly her, talk about the benefits of rebounding. Okay. Are you ready? We're gonna bounce and twist. Bounce and twist. Really engage the core here. So we're getting the feet to 90 degrees, but also twisting the back. So a couple hops on 2 hops and 2, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. Find a nice flow. Arms are up. So we're still building strength in the arms, shoulders, but also getting a brilliant twist, lubricating the spine, engaging the core. And one more. And bounce. Active recovery. Let's go. Just bounce, whatever's best for you. So in all my research, certainly Barbara O'Neill, trying to find one really unique aspect of why rebounding is so beneficial. Talks about it's a powerful way to boost mitochondrial function as we just have our active recovery. So this gentle, repetitive motion really stimulates the mitochondria, which is really the powerhouse of the cell. which increases ATP, which is energy. So as we increase our mitochondria in our cells, we're increasing our energy. We're enhancing our endurance and supporting a weight loss. Another brilliant reason why rebounding is so beneficial. We're getting to every cell in the body and the powerhouse of our cells, the mitochondria. Are you ready? Me too. Jumping jacks. My absolute favorite move. Engage your core. Building amazing core stability. Let's just bring incredible intention and focus into each bounce, each jumping jack. Come up on the balls of the feet, possibly flat-footed. It's amazing. Play around. There's differences that are quite dramatic. Just find what works best for you and mix it up. Lots of dynamic movements throughout each session of this series. All right, and let's recover. Nice, gentle recovery. My recovery is going to take me around the rebounder in different ways. Just what's best for you. And maybe I need a break, but just stay in some kind of active recovery, some movement. You can just shake it out, just move. But this is a pretty fun way to recover, I think. And we are boosting our mitochondrial health. Yeah. I don't love getting to the science of these things often. I don't do the research, but some of you might be interested. And there you go. It is a pretty amazing tool, this is, just to move more and build some discipline and consistency in a fun way. Whew, okay. This one's going to be unique, okay? What we're going to do is, so high knee pull down, engage the core, and I'm going to see if I can't find a way to get a bit of a bounce in. You try also. It's a challenge at first to find the rhythm, but I suspect you'll get there. You don't have to bounce at all. You can do it just standing. The rhythm of this is so enjoyable. You can really feel it in the core. Great core stability. You can aid in balance. Ooh, this one's tricky. Stick with me. Oh yeah. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Let's recover. Just bounce. I'm going in and out with my recovery. Oh. Always use the bar when needed. Ooh. Feeling the temperature rise? I certainly am. Just notice whatever you feel. No judgments. Watch that inner critic. You're moving. That's what matters. Can we move and be at the same time? I'm moving and just allowing everything to be as it is. Full focus. Can bring a bit of attention into the core. I love that this is our recovery time. Brilliant. Okay, Gonna go 180. Your best. If 180 is not working for you, just go 90 degrees. Maybe a couple bounces. Go. Yeah. Engage the core. Use the bar if you need. Ooh. Catch that balance. When you're ready, turn. Maybe you take an extra couple bounces before you're ready to go. Or maybe, speed it up. You got this. Come on, give it a try. Ooh, okay. Couple more. Last one. And let's recover. Come on. That was fun. Difficult, but fun. Oh, we're gonna get real creative over the next 28 days. Our fittest, best selves when this 28 days is over. Just nice and easy. Recover. Ooh. Okay. See if you can't come flat-footed. We can actually feel your heels as well as the balls of your feet on the rebounder. That creates a whole different dynamic. Interesting. Engage the core in our recovery as we bounce. Okay, shake it out. Let's do something difficult. Really, core stability. I know you love this. We got to do the hard things once in a while. Let's go. One leg. Maybe we're putting our arms up. You can be in one place. You can take your one leg for a little adventure. There's differences to both. Like, ability to just stay in one spot takes real focus and it's a challenge. But when you get out and about, the terrain changes. And let's switch to the other side now. This is fine. It's good. When you need the bar, use it. When you can come back, come off of it. And in 3, 2, 1. And let's recover. Celebrate that move. Well done. Remember to breathe. When we pay attention to our breath, we recover so much more quickly. Breathe from here, rather than up in the chest. Deep, conscious breaths. That'll take us through the whole day to stop and take a conscious breath. So that when things get difficult, we respond rather than react. Yes. Life has thrown this situation at me. How do I choose to deal with it? With grace and patience or snapping? I'm still working on that one, that's for sure. Oh, we're recovering. Okay. I want to try. We're going to come couple, and then, so we're going to point the toes down when we come up. So we're really getting up a little higher. Watch your head. Couple bounces and then spring up. You're going to engage the core here. We have our arms out as well. A little cross maneuver. Point those toes. Just feel it in the calf muscles. You gotta get the balance right. So just a couple bounces and spring up. Ooh, yeah. You got this. Have some fun. Smile. We really do have to bring some presence into this. Ooh. Couple more. And that's it. Let's just recover together. Just a nice, simple bounce. Let's use this as a moving meditation. Just notice everything and absorb everything you've taken in today. Oh, a little bit of gratitude to yourself. You showed up again. Ooh, yeah. Just be. Watch the mind. Mind wanders off. I bring it back and focus on every little movement and bounce. Fully paying attention to my body. All the wonderful feelings. Shake it out. That's a doozy. I feel amazing. This really does boost mood and elevate energy. Amazing, amazing apparatus. Comment, job done. Share your progress. Stay accountable. See you tomorrow. Let's do this.